loving, caring. This is my family.
Welcome to Grandpa Kitchen.
Today we are preparing
Juicy Chicken Manchurian. Let's clean chicken. It's marination time. Salt, black pepper, ginger garlic paste, garam masala. It's an optional ingredient. If you don't want spiciness, you can avoid this. Eggs, add little oil. Before we are going to add corn flour, mix well. If you mix well before adding corn flour, all the ingredients distribute equal to every piece. Otherwise, one piece is salty, one piece is spicy. It will come like that.
ready.
So if you mix like this, all the ingredients distributes equally to every piece. So now we can add corn flour. Corn flour. Again mix well.
Ready.
Marinate it for 1 hour. Let's add oil. Let's fry marinated chicken. Once we add chicken into the hot oil, do not disturb for 1 minute. Then we will mix. I'm mixing slowly using the stick like this. So the coating will not remove if we do like this. Do not make chicken too much crispy. So it should be soft and golden color. Now chicken is soft and golden color. Now taking out. Now adding second round. Oh, it's a very big. Ow. Let's prepare Manchuria gravy. Oil. Garlic. Chopped ginger. Chopped onions. Green chilies. Capsicum. Saute for 2 minutes on high flame. Add some water. Add some salt. Soya sauce. Mix well. వెంటనే వేయాలి అది కలిపి. కార్న్ స్టార్చ్. Let's add fried chicken.
Saucy dreams on my fork it goes. Juicy chicken where the flavor flows. Every bite feels like a spark of sun. Diving deep till the fight is won. Juicy Manchurian, you're my delight. Sizzling heat under neon light. Tangy whispers
Scallion greens.
in every chew. This craving's big but always true.
Coriander leaves.
Spices dancing in a saucy pool. Chasing thrill, breaking every rule. Tender chunks with the fiery glide. Hold my heart till the last bite's died. Juicy Manchurian, you're my delight. Sizzling heat under neon light. Tangy whispers in every chew. This craving's
Let's
big
taste
but always
Juicy Chicken Manchurian.
spices dancing in a saucy
Wow.
pool.
Really juicy, soft and tender.
Thrill, breaking every rule.
Yummy.
Tender chunks with a fiery glide. Hold my heart till the last bite's died. Juicy Manchurian, you're my delight. Sizzling heat under neon light. Tangy whispers in every chew. This craving's big but always true.
This garlic flavor, the soft chicken, the combination of these ingredients, awesome. I love this soup. Wow. Bah. What a soup.
Cooked to thrill in a tender storm.
వెళ్ళి కిడ్స్కి వంచడమే.
In your fire I keep warm.
ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు
Juicy
కిడ్స్ ఖచ్చితంగా.
Manchurian, you're my delight. Sizzling
జ్యూసీ చికెన్ మంచూరియన్ సూపర్.
tangy whispers in every chew. This craving's big but always true. Juicy Manchurian, you're my